Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Gemini to summarize YouTube videos on your phone. So let's open YouTube application first of all, and let's open video. Then you want to tap share button that looks like this, and now let's copy link. Now open Gemini on your device and please paste this video link to the chat, and then you want to ask for something like summarize this YouTube video. Or if you want, you can give it another prompt depending on the results that you want to gain. Then you have to wait. And now Gemini gives me a summary of this video. But of course, there are some limitations for Gemini, for YouTube, for summarizing YouTube videos, that the video should have captions available, because apparently Gemini cannot watch, let's say like that, Gemini cannot watch video with no captions. And also, if you send very long videos to Gemini, then summary may get partial summaries because it cannot read long videos. And yeah, that is basically it. You can keep asking Gemini to give better results. For example, you can ask it to give a shorter summary, just like that. And yeah, that is basically it. So if this video helped you how to use Gemini to summarize YouTube videos, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.